Alright, that shot was a little high. Ended up spining that hog. Certainly not what you want to happen, but certainly a quick recovery in that regard. I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. Grim Reaper Broadheads. This is why I bow hunt. I've yet to lose an animal with these. And you know what? I'm going to hunt the rest of the night, see if I can't get one more. But here's the thing I love about Grim Reapers. You don't have an O-ring. You can use expander cups. At the end, you can get up to a 2-inch cut radius out of these. 125 or 110 grain. And I am hunting with 125 grain just because that's the way my bow is set up. They snap in, they're easy to rebuild. I can probably take this Grim Reaper I've got out of this hog and just rebuild the head itself. As long as the ferrule, the middle part of it is straight, we're good to go. And I can rebuild it and shoot another hog or deer or anything else that walks in North America just about with it. Grim Reaper Broadheads, huge fan. If you have not shot these, get them today. Alright, second hog I heard drop just now. If this is not a testament to Lumenoks and Grim Reapers, I don't know what is. You could see that Lumenok coming out of that arrow. You could see that Grim Reaper stuck. And it wasn't a pass-through shot, but I heard that hog drop over here. We're going to go find him next. Awesome hog hunt in Central Texas at DB Hunting Ranch, man. Absolutely wonderful. Shooting a marten bow, shooting Grim Reaper Broadheads, and having a blast right now doing it. So thanks a lot for tuning in today and watching us. Alright, back out of our blind. I'm going to document the blood trail that a Grim Reaper Broadhead leaves here on our hog hunt, Central Texas DB Hunting Ranch. Here we go. Look at that, right by the feeder. I'm going to keep on going. We're going to keep on going into those woods, and we're going to see what we find. And that blood trail is going to keep on coming right on through here. Following that, and oh my gosh, what is that green knock over there? It looks like a Lumenok. And what is that by next to that Lumenok? Oh my goodness, that's a feral hog. Alright, Dustin Warnke here, DB Hunting Ranch, Central Texas. Got two nice sows on our little hog hunt this evening. It is a hot May afternoon, and we did really well on this trip. Basically, Grim Reaper Broadheads, 2-inch cut radius, and one of the hogs I spined a little bit high, so certainly not what you want to do all the time, but we got a quick recovery on that one. And this one ran about 65 yards or so. Not a full pass-through shot, but the
Arrow did penetrate on the other end, and 60 yards and done. Some of the best broadheads I think on the market. And also I found the hog even quicker with Lumenoks, which I've got on the back of the arrow here, and those illuminated right next to the hog. Perfect evening. Thanks so much for watching us today.